For number 3, the author's claim about the relationship between Neanderthals and Homo sapiens is blank, as it fails to account for several recent archaeological discoveries. To be convincing, his argument would need to address recent finds of additional hominid fossils, such as the latest D specimens and HL. Simple enough. And again, I'm just using initials for proper nouns that I can't necessarily pronounce immediately. When you find something that the blank has to disagree with, we can highlight that in pink, because we know that the claim is unconvincing, since we then get the description of how it would be convincing. So we're going to have to find an answer choice that matches unconvincing. So disorienting, I might hold on to, but I'm like, it probably isn't literally disorienting, but it's at least a tone negative. Tenuous. If we know what tenuous means, it means it's kind of loose. It's not very convincing. B matches very nicely. If you don't know what tenuous means, you have to hold on to it through our process of elimination as well, because you can't eliminate a word just because you don't know what it means. Nuanced would probably be something that's a bit too positive. And unoriginal, I don't know that it's unique or actually not unique. So either way, this just is introducing a concept that isn't really at issue within the sentences. And again, disorienting is just logically and literally absurd. So our correct answer is going to be B. This may really be tied to knowing the vocabulary, however. And once again, if you know fewer than 50% of the vocabulary words here, you're going to just guess and move ahead, which is why these should always be the first questions you engage with, because they shouldn't take you too long, whether you know the answer or don't.